Wait, what did you say?
So, like, although this is somewhat of an Italian dish, we've claimed it as our own. So,
Oh yeah, that's what people. Somebody said yes. Like I told them we were making parmas today, and somebody was saying that like it's literally just a shorter way of saying chicken parmesan. But then I was trying to.
Oh yeah,
It's actually different,
I
right?
didn't know it was so popular down in Australia.
Oh, it is so popular down here. But the funny thing is, depending on where you are in Australia, will change the abbreviation. So today we're making chicken parma, and I feel like it should be parma because when you say parmigiana, when you say the full thing, it's chicken parmigiana. So we shorten it here in Victoria to chicken parma, but it's spelled parmigiana. So when you go to New South Wales or Queensland, they say it's a parma.
My mom used to make this, and
I don't like
parmigiana a lot.
Yeah, you can make. Look, yeah, you can make parma like a parma out of anything. Yeah, spag bowl. Yeah.
Wait, spag ball.
Yeah. Oh, spaghetti bolognese.
I thought you were. I thought he was actually talking about like something different.
Eggplant parmigiana these nuts. Duly noted. Pepe read notes.
Okay, so how high are you turning your heat up? Because I'm a bit afraid to like burn this oil.
You just
Spagball sounds like an evil god from Skyrim, dude.
Let me change some things over. Pitch camera off. Pitch stove camera on.
MD's news. No, I converted a couple recipes.
You don't want it too hot.
I love Spagball.
You want it to a point where, although I think it was, I can't remember who said it. Spartan. It was Spartan. So Spartan said, "Throw water in there for speed run." Don't throw water in there for speed run. But if you want to know,
speed run.
If you want to know when it's an actual good point, just wet your hands.
Broke the ball.
So you got like little droplets of water, and just flick the water in there. When it spits and bubbles at you, it should be ready.
He would never said it.
So
okay,
I'll see if I can replicate it on my end. So I've just wet my hand so it's dripping a little bit, and a little bit of.
Spartan literally broke the bonk.
Drop a pinch of breading in the oil. See if it's hot enough.
That's a safer way of doing it, Kara. Listen to Kara. Don't listen to Kitchen.
He broke the bat. Who was the dude pushing the hentai cassettes? Why did you?
That was Tom. Tom has the hentai cassettes.
Also, it starts to shimmer and move more like water when you move it.
That's who, yes.
Tom had the.
Stick your finger in it. If it burns you, it's ready.
Yeah. That is true. That is true. Now,
stick your finger in it. I feel like it's probably like.
You can throw some